Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do dropshipping business on TikTok Shop with the help of CJ Dropshipping. So let's say that you've started your business on TikTok Shop, but you're not sure yet on what kind of product you will want to sell. Using the dropshipping technique or jumping into the dropshipping business can actually helps you save a lot of time and a lot of effort. And if you would like to do a drop shipping with TikTok, you can use CJ Dropshipping as one of your supplier, and I'm going to tell you why you should consider using CJ Dropshipping as your dropshipping supplier. First things first, if you go to the TikTok Shop dashboard, you'll be able to see this app and services options. And here on apps and services, you'll be able to see platforms that you can work together with in order to be the supplier for your TikTok shop. So let's say that I wanted to sell some product from Amazon. Let's see what apps comes up to the results. The results area. So you can see we got OneCart, we got Lead Commerce, we got Lixings ERP, Allroute ERP, eProlo, etc. So there's a lot of things that you can use in order to sell from other platform. And if I go to AliExpress, you can see that CJ Dropshipping is one of the apps that listed on the TikTok App Store. So I already have mine installed, but I'm just going to uninstall it real quick so that I can show you how you can connect your TikTok to your CJ Dropshipping. Alright, so now I got my CJ Dropshipping uninstalled from my TikTok. And now if you don't have your CJ Dropshipping account first, you're going to want to go to cjdropshipping.com and start creating your account through there. It's very easy. You can just enter your email account name, or you can also just sign up with Google account. So you can go ahead and do that first before you continue and watch this video. So once you got your account created, you'll be able to see a dashboard that looks like this. So here you can see a bunch of product that you can sell through your TikTok or even maybe any other platform that you have. But one thing that I really like about CJ Dropshipping is because if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to find the sections right here. So what this sections does is that it's going to give you product recommendation for a specific e-commerce platform. Let's say you're living in the US and you have TikTok Shop for US, you can click for this one. Or if you would like to sell your product on Shopify, you can click on this one. So does with the WooCommerce and then the other TikTok Shop location, Shopee as well as eBay. So for our case, we're going to want to sell our product on TikTok, so we're going to want to click to this TikTok buttons right here, and it's going to bring us into this page that shows us a bunch of product recommendation that we can sell on TikTok Shop. So before we add our product into our listings, we're going to want to connect our shop first, and in order to do that, you're going to want to click to this symbols right here and then click on TikTok Shop. Now through here, we're going to want to add our TikTok Shop. In order to do that, all you have to do is click this Add Store, and then you're going to get a notification on how the process are going to be, and you can read it first if you want. If you're done with it, you can just go ahead and click on OK, and then it's going to redirect you into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Then you're going to want to choose on your location. Then go ahead and click on Next. And then it's going to bring us back into the app page, like the one that I opened earlier. And it's going to automatically click the Install button, because this is what we will get when we click on the Install button. And then for the duration, we're going to choose unlimited. Then you can add your contact email address as well as your number. Once you're done with that, we can go ahead and click confirm to install. Once you click the install button, they're going to ask you to authorize the connections between CJ Dropshipping to your TikTok. So you can go ahead and click on authorize. And once you got your CJ Dropshipping and TikTok Shop connections authorized, you'll be able to see on your apps and incident that the status are active. And then you can go ahead and click Surface Login to go back to your CJ Dropshipping dashboard. Now you can then continue and search for a product to put into your TikTok Shop. In order to do that, again, you're going to want to scroll around for the product that you want to sell. You don't have to choose from the TikTok Shop recommendation product. You can just choose from any other products right here based on your preference. So I'm going to try to search for an example like this one's right here. I'm going to click on the product page, and now we can see the title of the product, the price of the product, the variations that it has. And then if you would like to add this product to your shop, all you have to do is click on list. Then here on the listing area, you're going to want to continue and edit the details of your product. So you can change the title if you want, and then you can choose the listing sites. You can add category, and then you can also choose the payment method, as well as the shipping method on eBay, because this product is from eBay. Then you can add the seller's shipping profile, the payment profile, the brand, the return profile, the tags, etc. You can also edit the variant pricing if you want, and then you can edit on which pictures or video you want to be shown on your TikTok Shop. And if you also would like to edit the descriptions, feel free to do so. Just go to the description sections and change whatever you need to change, or delete whatever you need to delete. Now, what's very important is that once you got your TikTok Shop added, it's going to be shown on the store selections here. Sometimes it could not appear, and all you have to do is just refresh your page or recheck the connections between your CJ Dropshipping and your TikTok Shop. Just make sure that before you click list now, you already choose the store selections on to TikTok Shop. Then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click list now. Once you got your product listed into your CJ Dropshipping, you'll be able to see all of the product that you have by going to the My Product sections right here. And then once it's finished, you'll be able to see your product on your TikTok Shop. And that's basically it. That is how you can use CJ Dropshipping to do dropshipping business on your TikTok Shop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.